ma'am. Thank you for supporting us. Bisdak ng American Vlog, Charity Vlogger, YouTube channel, Facebook like and share. Supporters and followers from other person with disability, magsaysay Davao del Sur. Happy kaayo mi ma'am nga niabot ka sa among life ma'am kay naa ka nga nitabang unta man tagaan pa kag maayong panglawas ni Lord ma'am ug dili kaniya pasagdan aron makatabang ka sa mga nanginahanglan nga mga pobre sama namo nga person with disability ma'am. And the best thing to do with the best thing at life is to give them away. Ma'am, bisdak ng American Vlog, Charity Vlogger, YouTube channel, Facebook, like and share. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessing of Ma'am Bisdak and American Vlog, Charity Vlogger. Salamat kayo, Ma'am, sa tanan. Love you, Ma'am.